Okay, so welcome back guys again here to another video tutorial. So I'm gonna teach you how to create for loops using Python. So this is the website of the automated boring stuff in Python, and it's based on the 11th level lesson 7 of automate the boring stuff with Python by Al Swigart. So open your IDLE in here, but in the last video I used some Sublime Text, but I was gonna use the CMD, not the IDLE. So type in CMD for I in range for no 11 print Python 10 times. Then let's concatenate it. stri. Then let's run it. I didn't actually save it first, so we're gonna save it first as for loop.py. So we're gonna save it into the desktop. You can save it into your desktop or in any place into your computer. So let's go into my desktop because I want to save it in my desktop so I can see for loop.py. Enter. Unexpected EOF. Okay, so I didn't actually close it. Save it. Run it again. Run module F5. Okay, so we're gonna save it. So we're gonna save Python 10 times for 10 times. Okay, so why not 11? Because it will gonna start in counting in 0. So if you count 0 as 1, it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it's gonna be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it starts actually in 0. So how about if you make the 11 1000? Run modular 5. Okay, so let's see how it gonna be works. So it's actually counting it. So it will go into 1000. No, 999. The last is 999 because if we scroll up, it actually starts in 0, 0, 1, no, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So that is it for this video tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Thank you.